Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my trades and my profits for today. Today is August 20, 2020, and as you can see here, my profit is $130.25. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, I just want to point out that this morning my ThinkorSwim platform, as soon as the bell rang, I just want to point it out that my chart was definitely lagging, which is it's crazy that, you know, TD Ameritrade hasn't fixed the problem fully yet, which is just crazy. I'm really baffled as to why they haven't addressed the problem head on, but whatever, you know, we'll just I waited a little bit until the charts actually fixed itself. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out really quickly for you. I only did a total of 3 trades today, and then I called it a day. I made my profits of 100. You know, I made a little bit over 100, and you know, that's all that matters. So let's just break it down. So yeah, you can see that we have a huge sell-off here in the morning. As soon as the market opened, it went as low as 32.38, and then we had this nice reversal here, waiting for it to go above the EMA line. And this is where I usually take my trades. This is where I set up myself in order to capitalize off of every trade that I do. So I wait until it goes above the EMA line, where it says here I got in 20 shares, 32.52, and then I got out 32.55. Had a pullback here, bounce off of the EMA line, making sure that it actually confirms and it goes above, and we stay above this line right here. This trade right here, you can see that ThinkorSwim platform just didn't fill me for my full 20 shares, which is just crazy. So this, I would have definitely made my total goal for the day in this one trade right here, but it didn't. So I actually just went in, I kept the 5 shares right here, and then I had to wait till it pushed up, and then I sold the 5 shares. If it was my full 20 shares, it would have definitely been more than that. So got out, had this pullback again, you know, make sure it traces on this line right here, it stays above this line. Got in again 20 shares at 32.81, and then I got out 32.83, and that's when I hit my goal. I called it a day, and that's that. So what about you guys? Have you guys actually switched over to another platform, or did you actually stick with ThinkorSwim? And is it just me alone, which I probably know it's just not me, because I was reading on the Reddit sites and the Twitter, is that people were still getting issues, but not as badly as the days prior. However, I definitely had a lot of charting issues. My chart started to lag. The time and sales here started to slow down. You know, with this trade right here, it didn't fill me in to my 100% 20 shares. It only gave me 5 shares. You know, stuff like that. I don't know. It's just, we just got to bear with it and see how. We'll see how TD Ameritrade chooses to actually solve this problem. Hopefully by next week we won't have any issues at all. We'll see. Yeah, but let me know in the comment section if you actually did switch over, or if you actually had issues like I did in the morning. So if you take a look here at /NQ, I just want to show that to you really quickly. We can see that the market was definitely ripping hard. We started off, you know, on the small pullback, and then we just rallied all day. From yesterday's, you can see that we're 1.31% or 148 points up on the day. It's just amazing. So literally everything you traded today would have been pretty much green on the day. So Tesla was green. Just make sure that, you know, whatever you do trade, just make sure you trade above the EMA line, trade from anywhere here. As long as you make sure you trade above the EMA line, you would have definitely capitalized and made some profits. For me, because my charts were lagging in the morning, I didn't want to force trade for the entire day. I just made my profits on the daily, and then I called it a day. So yeah, so just let me know in the comment section how is it going for you guys. And I just wanted to make this really quick video here showcasing my daily profits, and everything's been going fine. However, just the morning lag, which is very unacceptable. That, you know, that's just, it is what it is. So yeah, just remember that, you know, it's always about the process, not the profit. So keep staying green, and if you like this video, you know, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.